Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine today.
That's great. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Thùy. I'm 12 years old and I study I'm from the D4 class in CEC. My favorite color is blue.
Nice. Very good. It's nice to meet you. I'm teacher Dwayne. And I will be here today to evaluate you with a video test.
Okay.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wonderful. Okay. Let us get started. Okay. So, viruses, right?
Yeah.
What is this picture of? What do we see? What are we looking at here?
I see virus. They are really tiny.
They're very, very small, right? Yeah. So, this is an enlarged picture. If this were on the wall, can I see a virus on the wall?
No, you will need a microscope and you'll see viruses under the microscope.
Under the microscope. You need a special microscope, right? Because they are too small. And what do these viruses cause?
They cause many diseases and illnesses like for example, the COVID-19, or they can make you paralyzed too.
Yes, they could, right? So it affects plants, animals, and
humans.
And humans, right? Correct. Things. Yes. And are they all the same, or are they the same sizes, or?
I don't think they are in the same sizes.
So they are all different.
Yeah, they are in different type and size.
Sizes, shapes, different shapes and sizes. Yeah. Good. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Which disease does influenza virus cause?
They cause the flu or the common cold.
Common cold. And what symptoms do we get when you're infected by the influenza virus?
Our nose gets stuffed and we have sore throat, headache. Yep.
Coughing. And body ache, right? Very good. How can it get into your body?
Well, it gets into our body through our nose, mouth, eyes. I will scrape or cut on the skin.
Very, very good. And how can we...
And what we touch too.
Also with touch, right? Yes. How can we protect ourselves from this virus?
Well, we need to wash our hands daily and cover our mouth and nose when we sneeze or cough.
Correct. Very good. And
we mustn't touch our eyes, nose and mouth.
Yes, touch less. And we can also?
Exercise.
Yes, exercise is good, right? To build the immune system. Yeah. Make sure your immune system is stronger, right? Next one. Good job. Fighting the viruses. How does your immune system work? What does your immune system do?
It has white blood cells to fight the virus when they get in to our body, and it has the mucus to trap it. Also, the nose hairs also.
Okay, but so the question is immune system, right? Is your nose hairs part of the immune system? No. So the immune system, like you said, helps to fight the virus, right? Your immune system is strong, and that will help you fight the virus. What does your skin do to help you? What does your skin do?
Well,
let's say a virus gets on my skin,
So first, the top layer of the skin is dead cells, so it is dead.
And the virus needs living.
They need life to infect.
Very good. That's correct. Yeah. What does your nose hairs do? If I breathe in a virus, what do my nose hairs do?
Well, they trap the viruses and some dirty thing in the air.
Yeah. So it stops by the hairs, right? Yeah. And what about the rest of the? What does the mucus do?
Well,
how does the mucus help you?
If some viruses go through the whole nose hair, the mucus trap it.
Very good.
And plus, if we swallow the mucus, the viruses will also go into our stomach, and then the acid in there will destroy it, I guess.
Very good. The stomach acid will kill the virus as well, okay? And if it gets past the nose hairs, the mucus, and your stomach acid, what is going to destroy the virus?
I'm not sure, but mostly I will get sick.
You would get sick, but what would be the last line of defense? Past the nose hairs, past the mucus, past the stomach ache?
Maybe the cell,
The
white
blood cells. Very good. That's correct. Okay. Let's label the respiratory system. Number 1.
So this is the nose, and I guess this is the mouth.
Okay.
And this the throat, I guess, trachea.
Yes.
And their lungs and diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Very good. Can you label the circulatory system?
So the number 1 is the veins, 2 is trachea, number 3 is the heart, and number 4 is number 2 is arteries, and number 4 is capillaries.
Very good. It's capillaries. Okay. How do they work together? So we have your respiratory system and the circulatory system. How do these two work together? What happens when you breathe in?
So when we breathe in, the air goes through the nose, mouth, and trachea. They go into our lungs.
Yes.
And then the lungs.
The lungs get.
What is that called? Deliver.
What helps your lungs get bigger? What helps your lungs get bigger?
The diaphragm.
The diaphragm. So the diaphragm helps the lungs get bigger. Very good. What does the air go through? You said it in the beginning. You said the air goes through my mouth.
No.
Through
trachea.
Yes, and then into
our lungs.
Yes, got it.
And
Okay.
go into our blood. The blood, and then the heart pump the blood, and the blood deliver the oxygen to every part of our body. Then it take the carbon dioxide back into our lungs, and we breathe out.
Carbon dioxide. Yes, very good.
Dioxide.
So which carries the blood with the oxygen from the lungs to the heart?
Lungs to the heart.
So it starts from the capillaries.
Yeah.
Yes, and then
I think we go.
Carries the blood to the vein, and then to the
to our
heart.
And it go out by the arteries. Okay?
Yeah. So then the next thing is what carries the oxygen from the heart to the cells in the body?
What? Can you repeat it again?
What carries the blood with oxygen from the heart to the cells in the body?
I think that's the
Goes
blood.
Through the
They will go through the trachea.
artery first. From the artery, yes. And then the cells use this oxygen to make carbon dioxide. And that goes back to the lungs. And then you breathe out oxygen. Very good. Okay, next one. What's your opinion about exercise? What opinions do you have about exercise? How does it help you? Is it good for you? What do you think about it?
It strengthens our heart, and our muscles, so we can fight other things. Yeah, it make our lungs and muscle get bigger. We get stronger. We become stronger, and the heart pump faster.
Very good. That's great. Okay. What are a few things that we can do to stay healthy? How can you stay healthy?
We must get in qualified sleep.
Quality sleep, yeah. Quality.
Yes. Sorry.
No worries. Quality sleep.
We need to exercise at least 1 hour
per day. And eat good food, right?
Yeah, you could have a healthy and balanced diet.
Agreed. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks for the time. Have a good day. Bye-bye. See you.